Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about an issue that transcends wards and laboratories. A challenge that threatens the very foundation of modern medicine: antimicrobial resistance. Antimicrobial resistance isn't just a medical issue, it's an organizational responsibility which also extends beyond hospital walls. We work with public health authorities, communities, and global partners to spread awareness, promote rational antibiotic use.
The United Nations has cautioned that antimicrobial resistance causes about 10 million deaths annually and will be the leading cause of death if no action is taken.
So someone might ask, what is antimicrobial resistance? Antimicrobial resistance is when disease-causing organisms such as viruses, fungi, and bacteria tend to change over time, where they mutate and medications that used to treat them are no longer effective against them.
Usually, we treat patients when people come with infection. We use antibiotics to treat those infections, and these drugs are targeted specifically towards microorganisms that are responsible for causing those infections.
Why is it so relevant? Currently, there are certain diseases that we can't treat because there's resistance to antibiotics. And it's all because of how we run this. Both the healthcare workers prescribe these medications, and then how the public business go out there and get these antibiotics.
You should only take antibiotics if they are prescribed to you by your doctor. Second, if you're taking antibiotics, please take them for the full length that your doctor prescribes them for. So don't take them for 3 days when your doctor says 7 days, or even for 14 days when your doctor says 7 days.
I also encourage my mothers that it is not all cough, it is not all common cold or flu that needs antibiotics. There are some that are viral, and once it is viral, we don't need to be treated with antibiotics.
Some of the things we can do to prevent them, particularly in my area as a nurse specialist, I educate my people on hand hygiene. We pick some of these germs most of the time, touching objects, surfaces, and the rest. So hand washing is very important.
The solution lies with us. Practicing responsible antimicrobial use today not only safeguards animal health, it also protects our food systems and ensures that life-saving medicines are preserved for future use.
World AMR is a team effort. It involves doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and laboratory scientists, but also patients in the public.
If we don't take action now, simple infections may once again become life-threatening. Routine surgeries could become dangerous, and diseases we once controlled could return with greater force. But there is hope. Together, we can turn the tide.
Together, we can fight antimicrobial resistance. Join